Today we are making gnocchi alla romana, which are very different from potato gnocchi. They are much easier to make and have a consistency similar to polenta. Once again, the web surprises me. If you search for gnocchi alla romana on Google, you will find all the top recipes mentioning semolina flour as the main ingredient. Not at all. These gnocchi are made with coarse durum wheat semolina, in Italy called semolino, which is not semolina flour. Semolina flour is used to make fresh pasta and is remilled semolina. It has a much finer grain, ideal for preparing pasta and leavened products such as bread or pizzas. Not gnocchi alla romana. It makes you wonder if those recipes were ever actually made by the author. For more wrong Italian recipes you can find on top of the Google search, check out the video above. And don't forget to subscribe.